Hello, scientists! Today we're going to discover something amazing about water. Water can look different. Sometimes it's ice, sometimes it's liquid water, and sometimes it's steam. But what makes water change? Let's find out together. Look at this ice cube. It feels cold. It feels hard. But ice is actually made of water. How can water become ice? That's our big science question today. What makes water change? Let's explore and find out together. This is ice. Ice is water that became very cold. This is liquid water. It is wet and runny. This is steam. Steam forms when water gets very hot. Water can look different. It can be ice water or steam. Inside a freezer, water becomes very cold. When water freezes, it turns into ice. On cold winter days, water can freeze outside too. Snow and ice form when temperatures get very cold. Touch an ice cube. It feels cold and hard. We put ice in drinks. It helps keep our drinks cold. Even though ice looks different, it is still water. Water is a liquid. Liquids can flow from place to place. Liquid water can splash. It can move and change shape. Rivers are filled with flowing water. Water travels through nature. Water fills a bathtub. A liquid takes the shape of its container. We drink water every day. Water helps keep our bodies healthy. When water gets very hot, it can turn into steam. Look at the steam rising from the hot soup. When water gets very hot, it can become steam. Steam rises into the air from the hot kettle. Hot chocolate can make steam too. When water inside a drink gets very hot, some of it changes into steam. Steam is water in its gas state. When steam rises, it spreads out into the air around us. Even though we can't always see it, the water is still there. Let's do an experiment. We put some ice cubes into a bowl. What do you think will happen if we leave them out? Will they stay frozen or change? Look closely. The ice is starting to melt. Little drops of water are appearing around the ice. The solid ice is beginning to change into liquid water. Look what happened. The ice melted completely. Now only liquid water is left in the bowl. When ice warms up, it melts and becomes water. Did the water disappear? No. It changed from a solid into a liquid. Now let's watch what happens when steam touches something cool. The warm steam rises and reaches the cool glass. Something interesting is about to happen. Look closely. The steam has changed into tiny drops of water. Those little drops are liquid water. Steam can cool down and turn back into water again. Water can change from a liquid to a gas, and from a gas back into a liquid. Let's review what we learned. Water can be a solid. That's ice. Water can be a liquid. That's the water we drink. Water can be a gas. That's steam, solid, liquid. And gas are cold states of matter. Let's remember what we learned today. Ice is a solid. Water is a liquid. Steam is a gas. Water can change from one state to another. Great job, scientists! Thank you for learning with us today. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep discovering amazing things about the world around you. See you next time on Alex and Sam Learning Adventures. See you soon, scientists!